Hello, good morning guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will go to kurşunlu waterfall in Antalya. But first, let us have breakfast at Tophane Park. Günaydın Antalya. Afiyet olsun. Günaydın. Now I'm on the way to kurşunlu waterfall. Take this MK 80 bucks to the waterfall. We are here, kurşunlu şelalesi. Let's go, kurşunlu waterfall. Now, let us to get ticket first. This is my ticket. Now, we are inside the park of kurşunlu şelalesi. So, let's start our journey. Let's go. Here are some horse dwarf, horse dwarf, and the camel. Şelale waterfall. So let us go directly to the kurşunlu şelalesi, kurşunlu waterfall. Here is a very lonely cat. 一只孤独的猫。Lonely cat. Come, yeah, come. I really like this park. It is so quiet here, and there is no noisy and chaos. Let us go to şelale, let us go to şelale, let us go to waterfall. It is really like the scenery in the fairy tale. Feels so relaxing hearing this sound of waterfall. Here is the inside of waterfall. It is so cool here. The leaves is falling. This pool is so clear, and you even can see the fish under the water. It is so colorful, this park, wrinkly. And they even have a chain Turkish coffee shop here in this park. It's Osmanli. Kurşunlu şelalesi. Osmanli kahvesi. Osmanli kahvecisi. Let us to grab a cup of coffee and take some rest. Okay, the coffee shop in the depths of the valley. Let's go. And now we are here in Osmanli kahvecisi. Osmanli. Ben Osmanliyim. Şimdi. Now I'm Osman. Okay, I close the filter. 3 kinds of ducks. 一个是鸭子、鸳鸯，还有一个是大雁吧。So cute. So cute. Don't bother them. Let's go. Bye bye. Gule. This park is not very large, but it's very worthy to visit. but very worthy to visit, especially for kurşunlu şelalesi, kurşunlu waterfall. Yeah. So we are here again in kurşunlu şelalesi. So let us say goodbye to kurşunlu waterfall. Bye bye. Today my video will finish here in kurşunlu şelalesi. If you like my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel and do like button below my video. So see you next time. Güle güle. Bye bye. So beautiful. Çok güzel.